Good morning to all. Let's start the second very important momentum indicator, that is stochastic oscillator. In this, we are generally measure the specific period, highs and low, and the where the current price is working. Like suppose for the 10 days, if you want to calculate the oscillator, then we are using last 10 days highest price and lowest price, and the calculate the oscillator where the current market price is stable, and in the number we are giving it from 0 to 100. Suppose where the oscillator is near about 100, then the price of the last 10 days or specific period, it will be at the highest point. When it will be nearest to 0, then the price between last specific period, it will be the lowest level. Now, as same as the moving average, the stochastic oscillator is also used into fast and slow. Whenever one crosses to the other, then the sell signal, and the whenever the fastest crossover and over the slowest, then it will be the buy signal. It is generally used to check as same as the RSI, where the momentum is done, or we can get the more momentum to earn the more profit. Now we are checking it in the chart. I will opening and my investor India. Just wait. Now on a chart we are seeing now you can see I entering the stochastic RSI because we want the number from 0 to 100. Hence we are using the RSI. Now as per this data there will be an overbought. Same situation will be here. It is an overbought. But as on the yesterday, you can check it whenever the line crosses to the other, as shown is here, the sell signal is given as per the oscillator and market turn from here. If this line is crossed from above, then continue to the buy signal as per the momentum. Otherwise, this will be on top and market make top here. This is on the daily chart. Now, if for the weekly or intraday purposes, you can also check it. As per this situation, is also overbought. But without touching above, it will crosses from here because one oscillator crosses to the other and showing the sell signal. As we already told, it is the part of momentum indicator. So it is generally used with the moving averages to take in the position comfort or not. From the momentum indicator, you cannot take initiate immediate positions to get the best result. I hope everyone will be understand how to use the stochastic oscillator. As same as the moving averages, the two lines are the fast stochastics and slower stochastic, as same as the in the moving averages. And we are using it into RSI because this is an momentum. Now you also know whenever anyone exam or anyone, you can compare the two students or any two things in the percentage easily, and you can identify 99% is higher and below 50 or below is an lower. But you told the number of marks, like the 800 out of 1000 and 470 out of 500. Then you same thing doing it into the percentage. Same in there. I will opening the setting of that indicator. That is the length. Means what is the period of you and we use. Then in the index, what of the period we want to index of it, of fastest and slowest. Whenever calculate in the Excel, I will show in the next time, you can understand easily from which figure it will be calculated other figure. But it is very risky and very hard to calculate because from 3 to 4 on one by one it will be calculated. And also for it we require more data, like lowest level of and highest level of specific period. For the daily calculation we also require daily high and low and close 3 points. So in the Excel it is hard to calculations. Now as same as the moving average, you can check it in the style. You can check is percentage K is blue and percentage D is red. As same as the moving average. Whenever one line crosses to the other, then the sell signal, and the whenever one crosses to the other, then the buy signal. Sometimes it will be going signal like here, and one candle will be down, his signal is successful, but it is not an overbought. So you cannot expect best profit from here short while you are short position creating in this between the period. I hope the query is solved. Now in the Excel, I will opening and we are enter the data in the our chart of indicators. Now in the indicator we are entering here stochastic RSI. Now it can show the trend. The answer is no. Entry yes, as same as the RSI with the moving average, you can get confirmation for the entry about long or short. Exit, then you can show is yes. The strength, it is show also strength of the momentum and it will take a strength or not. But as per the more uses, you cannot measure this strength because there are two lines which compare each others. So in the using the stochastic RSI, you can't measure the strength because you can check it. The lines will be immediately lower and upside. Whenever momentum is here, momentum is very big and here momentum is small. But any two times line will be from above 80 to below 20. So using this stochastic RSI, you can't measure the strength. It is very important part because in the option trading required the strength measurement to select the strike and the buy or sell. So answer is no. Now I will show you the next indicator, that is William percent R. It is also same as an RSI and stochastic oscillator. Now we are show on the chart. It is same as an RSI. Only the difference is the range from it is 0 to negative 100. It is also used as same as the RSI. Now I am entering here RSI so you can compare it. Now you can check it. The momentum of both chart is near about almost same, but whenever you require some immediate position and initial signals, then William percentile is more initial, like you can check here. The RSI is not showing here the oversold. Same situation is here. For the short-term period, generally William percentile is giving the best signals as compared with the RSI. Otherwise, all calculations and things are same. Now we are entering in the chart. The ninth indicator, trend, the answer is no. You can take entry, the answer is yes, as same as the RSI and other. Then exit, the answer is yes. You can find the strength using this percentage Williams R, then the answer is yes. You can immediately check overbought, oversold, or the movement is strong or weak movement. As you can check is here. The line is not bent, is directly straight. The movement is continued towards down. Same situation is here. If the line break between this, then you should check maybe momentum other or maybe trend with other momentum changing. So while buying the option, William percentage it help you to continue the momentum or maybe change. And if the moving average is also support the change of the trend, then you should exit the position from options. Whenever we learning the option, then you can easily understand it. I hope everyone will understand today's two momentum indicators. Now, after a 10 to 15 minutes, we are reconnect and we are using and show the Excel that is last week calculation again, how to use and calculate RSI and other very important indicators I will showing, that is Bollinger Band. That is very important and it will consider as an other indicator. Like with the Bollinger Band, you can calculate all things. Like you can sometimes you can understand the trend, you can understand the momentum or sideways trend. It is very useful and important indicator. Now let's we are taken break. In the stochastics, generally the number format, and stochastic RSI is from 0 to 100. The difference is only it. Let's we are entering here again both indicators. Then you can check it. Here the conversion of it into index, and here it will be of moving average consider of the last stochastics period, and it will convert into 100. But here we are take the trend with an index of stochastics. So it will give the more comfort signal. You can check here also. But it is a very small movement. So it is an directly when change the big movement is done. I hope you can understand. And we all should always remember that RSI, percentage R, and stochastic oscillator all are momentum indicator. With that indicators you can't initiate trade, otherwise you can may bet the loss. Now I will show you on the Excel how to calculate it and how you can use it, and also explaining the last week calculation again so everyone can understand it easily. Now we are reconnecting on 9:30 a.m. If you have any query, please enter here.